Good morning, Northland. David Mazzola here with Johnson Ford in New Richmond, Wisconsin. Today I'm bringing you a 2021 Ford Bronco Sport. It does have the Badlands edition with the 2.0 Ecoboost engine. This vehicle only has 22,500 miles on it. Super clean, went through our 172-point inspection, came out with flying colors, so we slapped on a 12-month, 12,000-mile warranty, bumper to bumper, and also has a 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, or up to February of 2028. Now all the fun stuff. You get an auto starter, power liftgate, rear view camera. It also has a moonroof, leather seating inside for your guests, storage behind the front two seats, which are heated. You do have a large LCD touchscreen to Bluetooth your Apple or Android device to. It does have a charging pad for your phone as well. With only 22,000 miles on a 2021, come take it for a test drive today. Make sure you ask for Dave Mazzola here at Johnson Ford in New Richmond. My direct number is 715-293-3189. If the weather doesn't let you out, go on johnsonmotors.com. It is stock number 919042. Look forward to working with you.